How you doing, everybody? Randy Richard in the shop. Today is a video. This is a part 4 of the Scribes, the Logan Turrett attachment, making another part for the Scribe. But this should have been part 3. I got them backwards. So watch part 4 first and then part 3. That's probably a better way to explain it. Maybe I'll get a chance to relabel. Anyway, that's what this is about. Also, what we're doing is we're getting a cleared area, a little organization. That's the back of the Lance lathe. That's the closing lathe. And this is where I have my grinding table and bench and equipment and the hydraulic press. It's all cleared out. I got a new piece of equipment coming today. My good friend Ray Goff found a good deal on some stuff up in the Bay Area, and I was able to get in on it also, and I bought one piece of equipment and Ray bought 2 pieces of equipment, and he's actually bringing it down today, so I don't have to drive up there, which is very nice of him. And he's going to help me get it in the shop, and it will be a little bit. I need to get a VFD for it, so it'll be a little bit, a couple weeks before I get some video really going on using the machine or anything like that. And I need to finish the closing VFD. So I think I'm just going to do all that stuff at once, get them all done. So anyway, that's what we're going to do here today. I'm in the process of building Scribes and Dovetail cutters, and if you want one, they're going quick. Just saying, email me, Randy Richard in the shop, and you'll get the details for them. It's the best way. And about half of the Scribes I was planning to make are half the Scribes are already ordered out. So if you want one, check them out on some of the other guys' videos. I think Chuck, Outside Screwball, put up a little bit on it, showed my Scribe, and Chris over on Old Man Shop put up showed the Scribe, and I sent some and the boys up in Canada also, Pierre and Phil's Projects, and Pierre Baudry. So check out Phil's channel. He's got a new lathe coming. He's getting a SAG 12, which is pretty cool. Those are really nice lathes. Also, I'm going to be sending one. Hey, I want to give a shout out. I haven't given a shout out for too many people, other YouTube channels lately, but it's been a little while. But I wanted to give a shout out for Emma Ritson down in Australia. Emma has a little shop in her house, and she's an incredible engraver. I think she does it as a business, actually, the engraving thing, but man, she does beautiful engraving work. But she's also builds little stuff, steam engines. She's currently building a little dynamo, and so it's pretty fun to watch her do that stuff. It's now I forgot her channel. I'll put the link on her channel in the description and on the video. Backroom Machine Shop is I think her channel name. So check out Emma Ritson, and subscribe to her channel. She's fun to watch and fun to listen to. I think her accent is just great. So I enjoy watching her build her the little things she's building, and the steam engine stuff, and the dynamo, and a few other things she's done. But her engraving, I wish she'd do more engraving. She's really good at it. It's pretty neat to watch, and I'd love to be able to do some of that. I don't have that. I don't know. I think it takes an artistic touch to do a lot of that stuff. I wish I kind of had that kind of thing. My middle daughter, the major there, who just had the baby, has that touch. She's these people are true artists who can do that with their hands and see it in their mind and put put it onto a piece of paper or a paintbrush or any of that stuff. I think that's it's a fabulous, not just skill, but artistic ability. Anyway, check out Emma. She's great. So thanks a lot, you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And let's do some machining. And let's get a new machine in here. That's what I'm excited about today. So thanks a lot, you guys. We'll be talking to you. We're looking at the setup in the turret for part number 2, process number 1 on it. Get it turned around here. After parting off, which I've already shown parting and facing, we're going to pull it out to a stop. Get it out. And we're going to set a distance. We're going to come around. We're going to spot drill it in the center. We're going to come back. We're going to thread 5/16 24 up to about there. Right to about there, obviously, right? Then I'm going to drill it out with a 1/8 inch drill for 1.5 inches. And I probably won't be able to turn it. Okay, I'm going to push that back in. Then what we have on here is a box tool. This box tool has a cutter in it, 3/8 high-speed steel tool I ground, and we'll show that. I'll show that in more detail. And it has a couple rollers. Now I'm not really using the rollers because if you do without coolant, it doesn't flush the chips, and they will roll on your finish and kind of screw it up. But I'm using it just as a cutter. And it has 2 positions, open and closed position. And what I'm doing is I'm using the open position actually to do a rough cut, because I'm removing some of the threads. And then I'm closing it for my finish cut. And then I'll open it and back it off. So it will go in and we'll do that. Again, you got to make the cut to get it to go past. Then we're going to come to another stop. What I'm going to do is I'm going to chamfer the end of it a tiny bit with a file, then do a little bit quick sand, take off the sharp edge of the thread, and a little buff, Scotch-Brite. Then we're going to pull it out again and set a different distance, a little farther out, and come in and part and face. So that's the procedures we got going here. I've already shown all the tools except this box tool, so let's just run through it here. I have parted this off and faced it. Now we're going to set the first depth. And we're going to spot drill. Set the die head, and we're going to thread it. We're going to drill it. For box tool, it's in the open. The box tool is in the open position for the rough cut. First cut to get rid of the threads a bit. Then I'm going to close it for a finish cut.
Little file, chamfer the edge there. Little fine emery here to get the sharp edges and get a little polish. Take sharp edges off the thread. And a little Scotch-Brite buff. Then we'll bring her out. New length, and part it off. Base. Ready for the next one. Kind of shiny, kind of hard to get focused, but comes out nice. The next process will be when we'll do another process, and we'll be grabbing it the other way and turning this down and rounding the end over.